Have you ever been trapped at your desk or your office or your home, hoping, wishing for that 2 weeks a year of vacation time? I used to. But I've been able to make the transition from working a corporate job to working for myself from anywhere and being able to make millions of dollars per year doing that. In just a second here, I'm going to tell you my story of how I went from nothing, having no technical skills, having no advantages monetarily, and being able to create a business which sustains a life that I love, that I'm passionate about. A life where every day is a vacation. Every day I wake up to this view. This is my backyard. I live in Malibu, California, and I've been fortunate enough to learn the mindset that it takes to be successful. I believe anyone can create freedom for themselves and live the life they truly dream about.